Joe, this your face has just been calling me since. So smooth. And glowing. All the acne and spots, all gone. I beg. What's your secret? The black soap. Oh. Since I started using customized black soap, everything disappeared. Really? Your hubby didn't say anything about it? I heard it's fetish. A sort of jazz. Black magic. Says who? Please, don't injure me with laughter. Black soap is awesome on the skin. When customized with the right oils and herbs. Acne. Sunburn. Dark spots. Stretch marks. And many other skin blemishes become history, I guess. I should join the black soap gang. Then. I just love the way your skin is glowing. Thanks for the lecture.